OTC and prescription pain medications damages the kidneys. But there are 5 home remedies. Some you may already have in your pantry with anti-inflammatory benefits so potent they can stop pain instantly while improving kidney health. In this video, 5 natural ways to stop pain quick and protect your kidneys from inflammation. What I want to show you today is the reason why I think you don't need NSAIDs and other OTC painkillers in your life. Just home remedies. Yes, as incredible as it may seem, there are home remedies that work as fast and as effectively as pain medications, but without side effects. If you have a toothache, backache, headache, arthritis, or other type of pain, your first impulse may be to reach for a pill. Many people rely on pain medications, but if you have kidney problems, you cannot take NSAIDs to manage pain. Even the common ibuprofen and aspirin. They are all proven to damage the kidneys, especially in people with kidney problems. So next time you have a headache, before you take ibuprofen, try one of these home remedies. Don't miss our number 1. This spice can be made into a tea with incredible pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties, so powerful that have also been associated with lowered creatinine levels. Before that, our number 5 is a natural remedy with powerful anesthetic properties you probably already have in your pantry. Number 5, cloves. Yes! The spice you have in your spice rack has some incredible properties. While it can be used to spice up rice dishes, pies, and many other foods, it can even offer immediate and powerful pain relief. This spice is a powerful analgesic. This effect is so noticeable, cloves were used since the ancient times to treat toothaches. Just putting 1 clove on the paining area offers immediate relief from pain. You can also find clove oil to manage arthritis and body aches, or powdered extract to help with headaches. As a bonus, this spice also has powerful medicinal properties. Cloves are very rich in antioxidants and can protect against inflammation of different body parts, especially the kidneys. This is great because inflammation is a powerful driver of disease and it's well known to damage the kidneys. This spice can help. And what many people don't know about cloves is that they also help with diabetes. Recent research showed that cloves may help keep blood sugar levels under control by increasing insulin secretion. In short, apply clove oil to paining area in case of arthritis or body ache. Use cloves extract powder pills in case of headaches and to benefit from their antioxidant properties. Okay, our next natural remedy is not just a very powerful natural painkiller, it can also boost your kidney health. This one has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can be used both topically and orally. Number 4 is bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme extract derived from pineapples. It has a lot of uses as a natural remedy and it's very healthy for your kidneys too. According to a review of studies, bromelain's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties make it an effective treatment for the pain caused by osteoarthritis. Participants taking 400 milligrams of bromelain 2 times daily reported having effects similar to those you will get with the most common NSAIDs, which is amazing since this natural remedy is not just safe, it also improves kidney health instead of damaging it. Incredible! Bromelain also helps digestion, so it can be useful for stomach discomfort. It may also have decongestant and vasodilator properties, so it can be very useful against headaches. Bromelain can also be purchased as a cream for topical use. It can help with burns, eczema, and itching. What you should know about bromelain is that even though it's extracted from pineapple, eating pineapple doesn't supply a large enough dose to be effective against pain. It can still be healthy though. Now, as I was saying, this enzyme can really help kidney health, especially if in combination with quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid and it's also one of the most powerful antioxidants on earth. Combining it with bromelain enhances both their properties. According to recent studies, this combination is effective in reducing inflammation and swelling in the kidneys. Researchers believe that the powerful free radical scavenger properties of these compounds can alleviate the cellular damage done by oxidation. It can basically make your body younger and your kidneys healthier. I've talked more about the healthiest antioxidants in my recent video up here. In short, take 400 milligrams bromelain twice daily for osteoarthritis or headaches. Take bromelain combined with quercetin for inflammation and kidney health. Remember that bromelain can interact with anticoagulants. Our number 3 now, these are some easy tips proven to help ease the most common types of pain. Take a hot bath. Hot baths alone can be used to replace pain medications in some cases. Heat will get your blood moving, which is not only great for circulation but can also help sore or tight muscles to relax. This is great for back pain and other musculoskeletal pains. And hot baths are also proven to help with heart health. A recent study from Japan proved that those who took baths nearly every day had a 28% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and a 26% lower risk of stroke. Incredible! If you don't have time for a bath, try heat packs. Especially moist heat packs have been proven effective in case of arthritis. They can be warmed up in the microwave or directly from an outlet and used several times. Also, it's a good habit to keep an ice pack in the freezer in case of small injuries. And there are 3 home remedies you may already have that can help with pain. These include ginger. It has chemical compounds such as gingerol and shogol that block the inflammatory radicals from spreading. Gingerol is also used in many pain-relieving ointments, so that should be good enough to give you an idea of how effective ginger is. I eat ginger basically every day. It's very healthy. It can even soothe an upset stomach in a moment. And also consider vitamin D. The kidney vitamin. Vitamin D is also known to offer powerful pain-relieving properties. Supplementing this vitamin is an incredible resource for people with CKD. Never underestimate it. It may feel a very common nutritional deficit associated with a faster progression of kidney disease. What you may not know already is that symptoms of vitamin D insufficiency also include chronic pain. And also, omega-3 fatty acids. Probably one of the most useful remedies in the world because just like vitamin D, omega-3s are a very common nutritional deficiency. Omega-3 supplements have very powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help with arthritis pain at high doses. Supplementing omega-3 fatty acids can also help with cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and may even slow down the progression of kidney disease. And always use garlic. Garlic has been found to be useful for patients who have arthritis and other forms of chronic pain. Garlic has several other health benefits actually, including lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. One of the most powerful medicinal foods on the planet. But what's even more powerful when it comes to stopping the pain? Time for our number 2 now. This is an incredibly effective remedy. So powerful, it can be used to replace NSAIDs even by itself. It works for back pain, arthritis, and many other inflammatory conditions. Number 2. Devil's Claw. Despite its name, this plant may actually be very good for you. Found in South Africa, Devil's Claw has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can greatly help in getting rid of the pain, and according to studies, Devil's Claw may even lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels. So instead of causing kidney damage like taking NSAIDs would, taking this herbal remedy may actually help with your kidney health. You can find it in capsule form and in oil form, and this natural remedy is really cheap. Capsules are the preferred way of treating headaches, and the dose is around 1000 milligrams of extract 2 to 3 times per day, depending on pain severity. Oil can be used to treat arthritis pain, back pain, and neck pain. Devil's Claw has been proven especially effective for treating back pain, neck pain, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis, but it may also work for migraines. It works just like taking an ibuprofen or an aspirin. I'm not exaggerating here. A 54-week study on back pain compared 38 people who took Devil's Claw with 35 people who took the NSAID Vioxx. For these people, Devil's Claw worked as well as Vioxx to relieve pain. Incredible! The best part is that all the remedies I'm showing you today all have powerful kidney health benefits. Devil's Claw in particular is pretty effective in fighting the hardening of arteries or atherosclerosis, a cause of high blood pressure and kidney damage. This is why I think that using one or more of the remedies I'm showing today can really put an end to the need for dangerous pain medications. In short, Devil's Claw capsules can be used in 1000 milligrams dose 2 to 3 times a day in place of NSAIDs to treat back pain, neck pain, and arthritis. Your kidneys will also benefit from it! Okay, we have seen some home remedies and good habits that can really do wonders for treating chronic forms of pain. Not all of them will work for everyone though, as we have seen, and often mixing them can offer even better results. The main goal here is to completely stop the use of NSAIDs and also OTC and prescription pain medications. This is not easy, especially in case of chronic pains, but it's what your kidneys need. And talking about what's healthy for the kidneys, there is a spice that can be either added to foods or mixed into a tea that has unsurpassed benefits for the health of your kidneys and against various pains. It fights inflammation, various cancers, depression, age-related diseases, and it's the best friend of your heart and vessels. Number 1 is turmeric. Turmeric really is one of the most powerful spices on the planet. It can help with arthritis and other forms of chronic pain thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. But inflammation is also tied to kidney and heart damage, and this spice can really help. The effects of turmeric are more visible when you use it regularly as opposed to some of the remedies I've shown you today that really act fast, just like an ibuprofen. You can eat it fresh, use as a powder to make teas and recipes, and you can also find curcumin, the powerful active ingredient of turmeric, in pill form. Always remember that turmeric needs to be combined with piperine or black pepper to be effective. Do you want to see a powerful and really delightful beverage made from turmeric? This video up here is for you. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.